What's up everybody, my name is Jesse, the Laotian Emotion, and this is my 1984 Nissan 300Z. In a previous episode we took more things out of the engine bay. Off camera I took off the brake booster and the slave cylinder. They were a little tricky and I just figured I should take them off camera. I also took the headlights off, and today we're going to be cleaning up the engine bay in preparation to put the engine back in the car. So as you can see, from many years of neglect, there's a lot of sludge on this plastic tray on the bottom of the car. I'll be removing that and cleaning that. There's lots of sludge and dirt and grime all around the engine bay, and I'll be cleaning it off. So I'm going to be attacking all the dirt and grime in this engine bay with a spray bottle of soap and water and a little brush. So there are about 6 or 7 bolts on the bottom, and after I remove those, I'll be able to take this bottom shield out of the car, just like that. And it's this shield that's been holding and containing most of the dirt in this car for the past 30 years. So I'll be cleaning this up in the yard. Just to get some perspective, the area I was cleaning last, right here, is about an inch deep. So you can imagine how many years of dirt and debris have just been piling up on this shield without being cleaned. Next, I'll be taking this over to clean this with some water and some soap. After another 20 minutes of cutting and scrubbing and cleaning, I got this pretty clean. Of course, I'll be working on it a little more before I put it back on the car, but as it stands right now, it's pretty clean. Next, I'll be removing more things from the engine bay. So the next thing to take off in the engine bay will be these power steering lines, so I can get them out of the engine bay, clean up the frame. And in order to do that, I'll have to take off these fittings over there. I'll use some flare nut wrenches to remove them. So after we took off that power steering line, I think we're going to call it an episode here. Next episode, we'll be removing the power steering rack and hopefully cleaning up the rest of the engine bay. Thanks for watching.